you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I was not. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up.
Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told ya, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go.
I knew I needed you, I never show. But I wanna stay with you until we're growing up. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.
I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. I'll thank my lucky stars for that night.
When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I'll swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, I hope you know. And darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you until we're growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most.
I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise till death we part, like in our vows.
So I wrote this song for you, that everybody knows that it's just you and me until we're growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.
Show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. Hey, 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 what you got? A billion could've never bought. Oh, we're gonna party like it's 13-12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things in life. So just forget about the world, we're young tonight. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya. 'Cause all I need is a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete. It's all about you. When the music makes you move, baby, do it like you do.
Ayan, si Dora Explorer, gumagala na naman.
Body rock, I wanna see your body rock. Ay, 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 take a bow. You're on the hottest ticket now. Yeah, we're gonna party like is a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete. It's all about you. When the music makes you move, baby, do it like you do. Yeah, body rock. I wanna see your body rock. Body rock. Oh, I wanna see your body rock. 'Cause all I need is a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete. It's all about you. When the music makes you move, baby, do it like you do. Yeah. I got no rules, I got 'em. I gotta tell myself. Havana, na na. I got no rules, I got 'em. Havana, na na. I gotta tell myself. Havana, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, na na.
Ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
I lost control. I'm better, but you're too strong. But I gotta trust you though. 'Cause baby, I'm in your waterfall.
Versace on
I
my
lost control. Baby, there we live to know.
Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Despacito.
Dabble, 나는 밤에 와.
All you have to do is
All you have to do is stay a minute, just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay.
It's showtime, 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 showtime. Guess who's back again? Tell me it's not too late. Tenga viendo más, tenga viendo más, tenga viendo más.
Bon, doon pa sumakay ma'am.
I was from Japan. And we are from South Africa. Hi, my name is Stella and I'm from Australia. We're from America.
To be the greatest, I'ma love you. I'm free to be the greatest, here to know you. The greatest, the greatest, the greatest. I feel the color, baby. I feel the greatest, the greatest. I feel the color, baby. Is enough to knock me off of my feet all week. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love.
I'ma run up on you. I'ma run up on you. I'ma run up on you.
언젠가 꽃천지겠지 but no not today 그때가 오늘은 아니지 no no not today 지금 죽기에는 더 그때 no no not today no 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 not today
about the tour today?
Tour today was great. I have loved the ocean. I love all the greens. I love the greens. I love the ocean. Bro, this is one of the first time I've ever been on one of these boats, and I like this experience really, really. It's really nice. The guys are really great.
Yeah, our pilot, our captain.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you recommend this place?
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Matter of fact, I would tell her because I'm coming back Christmas, but Christmas is too expensive. So, but when I come back in June next year, she has a niece that I think will enjoy this.
Wow.
So I think we'll come back in June.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really great.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Have you been to the big and small lagoon yesterday? To the lagoons yesterday?
We went to the cave yesterday.
Yeah. That's Puerto Princesa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You haven't tried the tour A, right?
No, not
yet.
A. No. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, like I said, tomorrow we're going to a couple of beaches. She has the paperwork, but tomorrow we're going to go to a couple of beaches and stuff like that. So,
all right. Yeah.
But I think, like I was, I don't know, some of one of these guys. We got here by accident.
Really?
Yes. We were supposed to go to Puerto Galera. And we booked the wrong place and got on the plane for here, Port-au-Prince. That's how we got here. And then we got to the airport and we was asking one of the truck drivers, like, hey, can you take us to our hotel? And he's like, you're on the wrong island, dude. And I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, you're on the wrong island.
Okay.
So, one thing that maybe you can help with, because I'm from the States, I could not get my Facebook to work. Because I have booking.com, travel.com, and all that stuff. I could not get my Facebook to work, so I couldn't try to find a locate a hotel. But we met a nice truck driver, and he took us to the hotel where we're staying. took us to one of the agents, and that's how we got the course.
That's why. Okay. Yeah, that's a nice experience.
An accident. Hey,
It's an accident experience.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's nice. Okay, thanks so much.
And thanking you for making our swift a part of your day. It has been a pleasure serving you. Have a pleasant stay in El Nido.